Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today we are continuing our Elemental Shrine series and visiting the Earth Shrine at Brushwood Folklore Center. Earth is commonly associated with the direction of north, so behind me stands their North Pavilion. And also the Dolmen. A dolmen helps us to connect to the underworld. Typically, in a lot of paths, that's considered the place of the ancestors. And as Melanie said with the Runestead tour several weeks ago, that does not mean that there is an association with good or bad. It's just afterlife. And a lot of times, the afterlife on the world tree is seen as something that is underground and not necessarily up in the sky. So, the dolmen is a place to commune and meditate and to get answers from the earth. So, let's visit the Earth Shrine. As with all of the other areas, the Earth Shrine also has a garden area, which, yes, I have not gotten to weed yet this week. And there would be a green sign here, as green is the color associated with Earth. The other things associated with Earth are pentacles in the tarot, and strength, and groundedness. And as you can see, there's also set up each of the directions here in this sacred space. So there's the dolmen that I was speaking of. And the dolmen is surrounded by succulents and surrounded by earth because it is a place that you can access the earth. And if you actually look, it is not straight, it is crooked, because they were not meant to be per se a tomb of some sort. It was meant to be a place to access the underworld. And in Ireland, which is where they're mostly found, they are typically slanted. So the one here was created slanted too. And we've covered the back with sedums and beautiful things. And that's why the garden is not as pretty over here, because the whole back of the dolmen is a garden. In the center of this area, you will also see a fire pit. And that is because this area is often used for trance dance classes or drumming circles that are a little bit more shamanic in nature. And we often have different types of rituals here about communing with the ancestors and things along that line that you might not have up at the ancestor mound. Some of the other spirits or nature spirits and classes like that often happen here during festival time. So as you can see, the Earth Shrine is all about communing with the earth, communing with nature, and getting that strong foundation built up. It is about material things, which is why Pentacles or coins is its tarot card. But it's not always about money per se, but it definitely helps to work with earth energy when you are doing manifestation work. But you need to connect all of the elements for doing that type of work. So I hope that you have enjoyed our tour of the Earth Shrine here at Brushwood. And next Tuesday we are going to take a wonderful walk through the Spirit Shrine area, which is the labyrinth. So it'll be mostly a silent walk with just a brief introduction. And I hope to see you next Tuesday. Make sure that you check out all the other elemental videos and the ancestor videos for the shrines that have been posted in the last several weeks. Many blessings, tribe. I'm getting rained on. We'll see you soon.